Hey guys, it's Big Dave, Hi.tech.redneck. Just hanging out in the garage tonight, just tinkering on some things. And I wanted to give you all a review on, I have a Ciro 3D cell phone holder for my bike that I've been using for quite a few years now. Just kind of wanted to give a review on that. I've heard, a lot of people ask me how I like it, if it's easy to use, if it holds my phone good. So let me flip this around and show you what I got. So as you can see, I have a Ciro 3D cell phone holder. It's the unpowered one. And I got mine as a perch mount with it. I originally had bought this for my Harley Davidson Electric Glide. It was 2008. As you can see, oh, there we go. The slots on there are pretty universal. So it fits the Goldwing really well as well. It's a 99 GL 1500 I ride. And you'd have to check on Ciro's website to see what else this would work on. But I happen to really like this phone holder. It's sturdy, it holds everything fine, no shaking. As you can see, plenty of space in the bottom. I've got a phone charger I plug in there. It also will run to, I know this is gonna sound bad, I have a 99 Goldwing, so it has a tape deck on it. So should I wanna play my music through there, I can do that. Said plenty of space down here for an iPhone 12 Pro. So plenty of space in there for it. This would expand a lot wider. The little tabs on the bottom are gonna hold your phone from falling down through. When you put your phone in, you give it one of those and it locks it down tight. So as you can see, the Ciro 3D cell phone holder that I have, it holds my phone very steady. There's no shaking. You can angle it back and forth. It's on a ball mount on the back, right back here. So you just loosen up this nut and you can turn this forward, back, tilt, whichever direction you want to go. The perch mount will mount on either side. I used to have it over here for quite a while. Then I wanted my drink holder there and my this is for my Insta360 camera. So I wanted the phone put to this side, which I did. Super easy to do. I bought this, I want to say it was 2019, but it's held up fine. I love this holder. I really have no desire to switch to another holder. I've seen RAM mounts. I see everybody has their own type and, opinions. Everyone has one. I really like this one. So anyways, just want to give you my thoughts on a Ciro 3D smartphone holder. If you have any comments below, tell me what you like. I mean, everyone has a different opinion on what they like and what their reasoning is for that. Comment down below. Let me know what you think, what you like, and if you have this one as well and like it as much as I do. All right. All right, guys, just wanted to say thanks for stopping by. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff down below. And I will be talking to y'all later. All right, y'all take it easy. Take care of each other. Love each other. Life is crazy. Love y'all. Mean it. Thanks. Peace out.